So today I'm off to have a helicopter ride for the very first time. It was a present from my mum. It's like the scariest present I've ever had in my life. But I'm really excited, but I'm really nervous. Like, I'm really nervous right now. It's actually been cancelled once before and rearranged because of the weather. I was kind of hoping that was going to happen again today, but no, I'm going to have to actually do it now. So I'm just waiting for my Uber to arrive and then I'm off. So I just got an Uber and one of the roads was shut on the way here. He then went down a different road to try and get me to where I wanted to go. He just wouldn't take my directions. He ended up taking the postcode for it, but then when it showed him where he was going, it was directing him down the closed road again, and he just wouldn't listen to me. So I'm running late. I've been dropped off in a very sketchy location. Thanks Uber, because I just had enough of him. I was like, you know what, I'll walk. So hopefully I'm gonna get there in time. I'm a little bit stressed out. I've made it here on time, and the really nice staff have not only managed to squeeze me in, but they've managed to give me a front seat as well. So I'm a little bit overwhelmed. I'm already scared, and now I'm like in the front seat, so I'm gonna get like the full view of everything. I'm freaking out. Oh my god. I've got to have a really quick briefing, and now I've got to get on the helicopter. Oh my god. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be okay.
Brace. It means he'd like you to adopt the safety position at the bottom. He might then sit down somewhere and ask you to disembark. If he does so, you click the doors open, and only under the pilot's instructions you'll step outside.
Got off the flight. I've never been so scared in my life. What a crazy day. It was absolutely amazing. It was very short. It went very short, but my god, that was amazing. I can't believe I just did that. I'm so proud of myself. I was really feeling really sick this morning, so the fact that I actually turned up in the first place and I've just got in a helicopter. So thanks mum for like the scariest but best birthday present ever.